For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen II, a keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming community. Therefore, I'm about to dive deep into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing you'll notice about the TUF Gaming K3 Gen II is its sleek and durable design. Built with a ruggedized plastic construction, this keyboard can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. But what really sets it apart is its customizable backlighting system, which features 16 million color options to match your unique style. There are also dedicated macro keys that allow you to assign complex commands with just a few clicks. This means you can customize your gaming experience to fit your needs. Therefore, if you're tired of using the same old keyboard layout, this might be exactly what you need. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. How does it actually perform? Is it fast enough for competitive gamers? The answer lies in its 1 ms response time, which is faster than many other keyboards on the market. Therefore, if you're looking for a keyboard that can keep up with your lightning-fast reflexes, this might be the one. So what are some of the benefits of using the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen II? For starters, its customizable backlighting system makes it perfect for late-night gaming sessions or watching movies. You can also use the dedicated macro keys to create complex commands that will give you an edge in your favorite games. However, there are also a few potential drawbacks to consider. The keyboard's price point is on the higher side, which might be out of budget for some gamers. But if you're serious about upgrading your gaming setup, it's worth every penny. But what really sets the TUF Gaming K3 Gen II apart from other keyboards on the market? Its advanced cooling system, which helps to keep your hands cool during long gaming sessions. Therefore, if you're tired of feeling like your fingers are burning up while playing your favorite games, this keyboard might be exactly what you need. There's also the matter of durability. How well will the keyboard hold up over time? The answer lies in its ruggedized construction and customizable keys, which can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. Therefore, if you're looking for a keyboard that will last you for years to come, this might be the one. One thing to consider is the keyboard's compatibility with different operating systems. Does it work seamlessly with Windows or Mac OS? The answer lies in its plug-and-play design, which allows you to get started right away. Therefore, whether you're using a PC or Mac, this keyboard will integrate smoothly into your gaming setup. But what about the keyboard's ergonomics? Is it designed for comfort and support? The answer lies in its split-key design, which helps to reduce finger stretching and improve overall typing accuracy. Therefore, if you're tired of feeling like your hands are cramping up while playing games, this keyboard might be exactly what you need. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen II is a powerful and customizable keyboard that's perfect for serious gamers. But don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and see how it performs in your favorite games. For the best price, click the link in the description to get started today.